This will be the end of our vlog because it has been such a wonderful, such a long day. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you've enjoyed, anything that you would like to see more of. But this was week 4 of my performance workshop and it was wonderful. It's been such a great experience because the entire group just has such a beautiful energy. Like, everyone is willing to work, but it's also like everyone is willing to help one another, right? Like, it's not cliquey. It's definitely like an environment where everyone can come in and feel welcome. It doesn't matter what like what level you are, where you are in your training. I'm losing my voice, so I'm gonna try and do my best to drink water and hydrate and all that good stuff. This is something that happens to me every time. I just think it comes with the territory, but I really am enjoying myself and I look forward to continuing to move forward. There's always like these little thoughts in your mind, like, what could I have done better? Where could I improve? Like, should I have more done by this point? But I think this is the first time ever that I've really taken my time. I've had the ability to take my time and like plan out every single rehearsal as much as possible. And so I know like exactly what sections I want to do, how many minutes I want to cover in each rehearsal. So I'm very excited to see how it continues to come together. But yeah, I think that I'm starting to understand that feeling never really goes away. Something else that comes with the territory. But thank you for joining me today. Mwah. Have a beautiful evening and I'll see you next week.